Hello, this video will be more helpful if you are looking to renew your Indian passport and you are currently residing in United States of America. Go to VFS Global website, follow the link, and then choose Passport Services. So if you are residing, let's say in United States of America or any other country, try to select your current residing country. In this case it's USA for me, and then of course citizen of India. Click go. It will get redirected to this particular portal where you go and click start now in apply for passport section, as this video is more focused on renewing your passport. Once you are into apply passport portal, you will have a detailed description what to do on stepwise. Basically this is a descriptive way of this current process. So this video will focus on how to send the document to VFS via mail, which is nothing but post. There are two steps involved. So step 1 will be contacting the Indian Embassy website. So for that I've already given a detailed video. You can go check the description, which is step 1. But this video is about step 2, how to prepare and send the supporting documents to the VFS via mail or post. So go to step number 2. This is the link where your most operations will happen. But before you go to step 3 and create yourself a login. If you're already a user, try to use the existing users link, but if not, try to create a new user. So I'll just walk you through how to do it. Click create new user in step 3 and then key in your first name, last name, email. Mobile number should be your USA number, and then the password. Confirm the same password, acknowledge all the terms and conditions, and then click submit. So once you validate your email, come back to the same portal and try to log in with the same email and password. Click continue. So this will take you to the home page where you go and create new application. So this is the application for sending your supporting documents to the VFS. So click on create new application. So this will get you the center where you need to send your documents. This is very, very, very important. For me, I've chosen Chicago. So choose wisely and precisely where exactly you're going to send your documents. Better choose any embassy that is near to your city. So again, I'm saying the center is very important. Choose the center wisely. Category is reissue or the fresh passport. Subcategory is passport or application is going to expire within last year, 10 years or something. And this again is by postal. So choose the payment mode. You can do either banking or clerk's check, or you can do a debit or credit card. Click continue. So once your application is ready, now you need to add the customers. So customers is nothing but the number of passports. Click on add customer. So this will give you a details where you need to key in the ARN number. You can get this ARN number from the embassy where you already uploaded or provided your details. I will share you the link and the screenshot. You can go and get the ARN. So give or choose the relevant details. Make sure your mobile number is always a US number. and then click submit. So now we have added one customer, which is one passport, as part of the mail application. So once you are done that, you will have the details populated here. Now you need to select the courier. FedEx is a supported courier service by the VFS, so where you need to generate a label for yourself. Click here. So once you click here, it will get directed to the FedEx portal. So you need to give the destination, sender's address, contact. So it's a normal passport, and choose your VFS center. I've chosen just San Francisco, and sender's full address, so which is your address. For one passport it's $32. Make sure you add enough people, so if it's 2 people it's $64. So this is a process where you generate the label. So now again go to the FedEx, key in your all details. So once you generate a label, give your tracking number, outgoing courier label number. Once you have given all the shipping details, click continue. So and then again your customer mailing address. This is your written mailing address. Once all your passport is all done, this is the address the passport will be sent back. So once you validate everything, click confirm application. So this is the center details, basically the embassies where the passport process can be done. This is where you need to send. Make sure one of the city is closer by to you, and then you choose the right center with the right address. So this is available in VFS Global website. So I'm just pausing the video here, or if you want you can pause it and then get the address. So documents to send to VFS office. If you are adult and if you are reissuing the passport, these are the documents. And just going through for the minors passport checklist. Pause the video and take a note, please. So I'll let you know how to book a VFS appointment in next